Okay, for the DES assignment, there's a PDF right here called DES Practice. And is there a way I can zoom in on this sucker? Let me download this. Be easier to see. Okay. This is just a practice exercise, okay? So this is very important you read this stuff up here. Use the initial permutation or IP table of DES. Analyze the following table to see how the following words are changed from ASCII to hex, then to 64-bit binary. Bit 58 goes to bit 1. So in other words, this bit right here, whatever's in 58 goes to position 1. Whatever's in bit 50 goes to position 2, so on and so forth. Everybody see how to read that? Okay. So we take the word monarchy 5, so an M is right here. Okay, and M is 4, see the 4, D. So M is 4D. This is 4, this is D. If you forget how to do that, go to the very bottom and I give them to you right there. Okay, there's 4, there's D. So an M converted from ASCII becomes 4D hex. Convert that to binary. So this is bit 1, this is bit 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. Okay. Using this table, what happens to it? So let's look at this bit right here. So bit 50 goes to bit 2. What bit 50 is this one right here? Do you agree? This 1? Is that bit 50?
Yeah.
So that 1 should become 49, 50, that should be, that goes into 2. Yeah, so it's right here. This one, right? That second one right there, I can't click on. So 50 goes into 2. So 58, this 0 goes into 1, so on and so forth. And you can do this in Excel, very simple. So you do these 2 charts, okay? Then you have to expand them. In bit 1, so this 0 gets copied to bit 2 and bit 48, so on and so forth. But the important part is right here at the top. Okay? Run the results of part 1 above through the expansion permutation. Bits 1 through 32 become the left side, and bits 33 through 64 become the right side. So which bits are we working with?
The right side.
The right side. But for you guys, you're going to actually do both sides to prove that you know how to do both. But you're really going to be working with the right side. So bit 33 goes to wherever the hell it says. So bit 33 actually becomes bit 1. Got that? Because remember, up here, we have all of them. So you're going to, so the 32 ends there. So this is the end of 32. So that's the 4th row. So you're only going to be working with these 4 rows here. Okay? See that? So you're not going to do anything with here initially. So that's what you do, and you get the output. That's your practice assignment. I can get that darn thing to go away. Go away. Thank you. Now let's go look at the actual assignment. Okay, there's also a practice of this. Let's look at the practice first. Do a preview of it. It's literally the same as the assignment. I give you this exact thing. I say, use the following word, format, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so enter your answers, convert it to hex. Then what are the hex values after initial permutation? There should be 16 values, all uppercase. Okay. So when you do this, make sure you convert them back to hex. So far, so good. That was pretty simple. Now let's look at the actual one. I think it's actually exactly the same. Let's make sure. Yep, literally exactly the same. using this word. What is it converted to set to hex? And there's the expansion permutation. Okay. So what am I asking you for? I'm asking you for question 1. Yeah, there's the initial permutation, there's the expansion permutation. So what is the results after initial permutation? What are the results after the expansion permutation? So you just write the results in hex. Okay. So this one here is the right side. This one says what are the hex values after the expansion permutation. If you did it wrong, which would be the left side. Okay, makes sense? The only reason I did this is so many people would submit the left side. I just want you to realize that really, just give me both, that way you know you're doing them both. That's all it is. You got to do just a couple of them. Like,
It's like 50.
you don't have that many. Look, there's only 6.
5, because one of them is.
Oh, yeah, there's only 5 of them. There you go. You got to do 5. Stop crying. Okay. So pretty simple to do. I could not find a better way of getting you to submit answers on that. But if I come up with one, I'll let you know. Okay. Any questions on the assignment? Everybody happy? It's pretty straightforward.